In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link EA account to Steam for Apex Legends. By the end, you'll have your EA account connected to Steam so your Apex Legends sessions launch smoothly and your progress is tied to the right account. First, make sure the EA app is installed on your device. If you don't have it yet, grab it from the official EA site and complete the installation. This app is where you'll manage your account and the connection to Steam. Next, sign into your EA account. You can do this either in the EA app or on the EA website. Use the account you actually want associated with your Apex progress and purchases. If you've played Apex before on EA, double-check you're logging into that same account to keep everything in one place. Once you're signed in, head to your account settings. You're looking for the section labeled Account Settings or Connected Accounts. This is where EA lists any third-party platforms you can link. Find the option for Steam and select it to begin. You'll see a prompt to continue. Click Continue, and you'll be directed to sign into your Steam account. Make sure it's the Steam account you use to play Apex Legends. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize the connection. You're simply allowing EA and Steam to talk to each other so your game can launch and save correctly. After the linking is confirmed, open Steam and launch Apex Legends from your Steam library. Launching through Steam for the first time after linking activates the connection. The game may take a moment to sync. If you've never connected this EA account before, you might see a prompt to sign in again. Some prompts still reference Origin, which is fine, just sign in with your EA account credentials as requested. If you don't have an EA account yet, you'll be guided to create one. Go ahead and set that up so the link can complete. From here on out, you're set. With the accounts linked, future EA games you install through Steam will automatically connect to the same EA account, saving you time and keeping your game data consistent. If you ever want to confirm the link worked, you can revisit the Connected Accounts section in your EA settings and you should see Steam listed there. That's all you need to do. Thanks for watching.